Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Money Lab. From today, we are starting a brand new trading series where I will make sure that I will start from very basic steps. You will not pay a single dollar, no courses, no signals, no hidden charges. Just try to understand the logics behind the financial freedom. This video is strictly for beginners. If you are already an intermediate or advanced trader, this series is not for you. But if you are someone who is just starting trading and wants to learn from scratch, then you are in the right place. Today, I will share the 3 biggest mistakes beginner traders make and most importantly, how you can avoid them from day one. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, that is over-leveraging. The first and biggest mistake beginner traders make is over-leveraging. Many beginners believe that using high leverage will help them make money faster. They think, if I risk more, I will earn more. But in reality, leverage works both ways. One small wrong move in the market can completely wipe out your account. This is why most beginners lose money within their first few trades. They don't lose because the market is bad. They lose because they are risking too much. Now, let's talk about how you can avoid this mistake. Always risk only 1 to 2% of your total account on a single trade. Trading is not about getting rich quickly. It is about surviving long enough to learn. Small risk keeps you safe. Big risk destroys accounts. Coming towards mistake number 2, that is trading with emotions. Before going towards the second mistake, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Maybe he or she can get a bit of tip from this video. So, the second mistake beginners make is trading with emotions. Fear and greed control most new traders. When the market goes against them, they panic and close trades too early. When the market moves in their favor, greed makes them hold trades for too long. Emotional trading leads to bad decisions, not smart ones. The market does not care about your feelings. And emotional trading is one of the fastest ways to lose money. To stay away from such mistake, you must always follow a trading plan. Before entering a trade, you should already know where to enter, where to exit, how much you are willing to lose. Once the trade is placed, do not change the plan emotionally. Discipline is more important than confidence in trading. Now, this leads us to mistake number 3. But before going towards mistake number 3, just tell me in comments that from where you are watching this video. Now, moving on to mistake number 3, ignoring education. The third big mistake beginner traders make is ignoring education. Many people jump into trading without learning the basics. They treat trading like gambling. Trading is a skill, not luck. Without education, you are trading blindly. And blind trading always ends in losses. Successful traders invest time in learning before investing money. It's very important to avoid this mistake, but it depends on how much you want to learn. Spend at least 30 minutes every day learning, study charts, understand risk management, practice on a demo account. Learning first will save you years of losses. I don't say that it's all because it's just a drop of water from an ocean. But if you avoid these 3 mistakes, you will already be ahead of most beginner traders. Remember, trading is a journey, not a shortcut to get rich. This is a 100% free beginner series and everything will be taught step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart Money Lab, like the video and stay connected for the next lesson. See you in the next video. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk.